30-second pitch. Good morning. Yeah, morning, Deepakji. A lot of people say it is 30-second pitch. I call it powerful presentation because in 30 seconds, how much can you say? Just think of a situation wherein you are traveling from Maker Tower 5, where Reliance office is there at the top floor, and you are in the elevator, and Mukesh Ambani joins there. And you have that 30 seconds from top to coming down on the ground floor to introduce yourself to him. Think of what all will you say. Can you just get into talking about something else? Because by that time, he will get out of it. So, this is a speech. We call it a pitch, we call it a speech, we call it elevator pitch, we call it 30-second pitch. For me, it's an introduction which has to impress the opposite person in the positive manner, and he should be given or she should be given sufficient information for them to remember what I do and what are my USPs, that is unique selling points. I would request each of you to have a pen and paper with you, because this is one of the most critical part of each of the meetings which you would attend, whether it is at Tajurba, whether it is in front of your customer, whether you are talking to a family member, whether you are talking to an unknown member. Because it is said that you can impress the opposite person in first 7 seconds of talking. Suresh, you were saying it was only 3 seconds now, but first 77 seconds, the opposite person decides whether he is comfortable dealing with you or no. So a small request, take a fresh pen and paper. In fact, I would request keep a diary for all your Tajurba meetings, a single diary in which you can take down all points of all the meetings, like what referrals have you got, what referrals have you given, and what are the members with whom you would like to connect for BDM. So let's start with a very simple introduction stage. There are very simple steps. There is no rocket science here. This we have been doing it. This is becoming structured. So when you start getting into introduction, the first thing has to be your name. So like when I said Bakul Subhash Shah, I normally use my dad's name because it gives me that another pride in myself. So you normally say your name. We normally do not try to in the meeting. I would avoid talking about good morning and all those things, because we have specific 75 words in which your 30 seconds has to get ready. Now, speaking about good morning would take away about 3 seconds. So you may say start with Bakul Subhasha. So first is your name. Your name, whichever way you can give your name and your surname only. You want to give your parents' name, your father's name, whichever way. There are a lot of customers, a lot of members, or a lot of friends whom I know they use their specific that Jitu chair wala dave. So some people use it that way also. That is purely up to you. So first is Bakul Subhasha, your name. Second is your next love of your life, your business, the name of your organization. It has to be very specifically and clearly mentioned. It cannot be hazy, it cannot be anywhere uncomfortable talking about your name, because that's where you are supposed to know. And you have to be proud about giving the name of your organization. So when I say my name is Bakul Subhash Shah and my company's name is High Tech Aircon, that blood rush in my body is almost at double the pace, because I'm proud about it. So when you give your company's name, you have to be proud about it. You cannot talk about things which you are ashamed of. You have to talk about things which makes you happy and proud. The second is the company's name. Third and most important, this could take about say 8 to 10 words, the products or services you offer. Now, here is the whole game changer language. If you talk about too many things while introducing your products or service, the opposite person might lose interest. You speak little less about more than what you should share, he might not know what you do. So the best is, you would be doing a lot of things in your business. Like Deepak ji does real estate consultancy. So he must be doing commercial, he must be doing rentals, he must be doing residential, he must be doing plots, he must be doing uh, big tech plazas. But he should be very specific when he's talking to, knowing the opposite person, knowing the crowd. If you know them, best is if you know you're talking to a residential segment kind of a thing, you should talk about, I deal in premium residential properties in and around Bandra East and West. That becomes very specific. Like when I speak about AMCs to the school owners, I say I am in the business of air conditioning, and we focus on offering maintenance solutions to the schools and education institute in and around Mumbai. The moment I say that, that opposite person starts relating you, because if you know his business, you should talk about his business through your business. So being very specific about your USP, that is unique selling point. Some people call it unique buying point. I call it the hitting point. Because when I speak about my business and I speak with very clear focus to you, he knows that you are very, very clear about your business. So it could be your products and services which you offer. Then comes the credibility part of it. How can you create credibility? Suresh sir ने भी बताया that visibility plus credibility is equal to profitability. Visibility is you are present in the meeting. Credibility would mean you need to create credibility. How can you create credibility? By showing the number of years you are in the business. So I am in the business for 27 years. I have sold more than 50,000 machines. I have covered more than 10 lakh square feet of area. When Parag ji said, he said we increase profit for the printing industry. Bharat ji said that we have created a product which is used by doctors and individuals, and his consulting fee is rupees 7 per day, which show that his expertise is so strong and he's so strong in his belief with giving his service that everybody would benefit out of it. So you need to create credibility by showing your experience, showing something which you are doing different than the industry, showing the size of your business. Like we are a 300 crore company, we have catered to 3,000 plus customers all over India. You can also speak about we have 150 testimonials from our customers in last 3 years. Create a sentence of not more than 4 words which talks about your credibility. Why credibility? Credibility, again, the opposite person starts believing that you are a very serious business owner and you are looking at your growth as much as you are looking at anybody else's growth. Then you give a small success story if possible. In 30 seconds it's a little bit tough, but yeah, you may give a success story like we have closed an order of 3 crore rupees in last 1 week. No need to go into a lot of description of that order. Again, success story would connect the opposite person to you. He will say, oh wow, in these times also, or in this guy is a serious business owner, he's closing business. Then the opposite person starts getting interested. He says, yaar mujhe bhi isme se kuch mil sakta hai, I also may gain something out of him. So share a simple success story. Do not get into storytelling there. Then come and give. As Suresh ji said, first give. Now give does not mean you give some name. Give means one or two of your customers whose name you can share with the members of the group. Like when I say that I have a customer called JBCN School here who's 250 machines I'm maintaining. I tell the customer members that I can introduce you to JBCN School Dahisar admin manager Mr. Tejam. Again, there being specific becomes very, very useful. Like Suresh ji ne bhi bataya, someone asked for Priyanka Chopra and her aunt was there and she got up and said, I am her aunt. Please let me know what I can do for you. So give. Give could be one or two names of your customer. Then comes ask. After we have given, you are ultimately here for business. So ask. In ask, most important is being specific. Do not ask anybody in the business of so and so, somebody in the business of so and so. I need CAs from so and so. I need architects from so and so. No. If you want a chartered accountant, do your research before the meeting. Do whatever you can find out and say, I would like to meet Mr. Narendra Jain, who has an office at BKC in so and so building, Mr. So and so, architect, Hafiz Contractors Associate, Mr. Fahim Sheikh, who sits at Kulaba, Mr. Milind Bhai, an architect who is having an office at Andheri West on the Link Road in Kuber Chambers. What happens is the moment you start giving some related names uh, in and around the customer you want to meet to, you might not know Milind Bhai, but you might know someone in Kuber Chambers. You will say, hi, I know someone in Kuber. Let me call him up and ask if he can take my friend to Milind Bhai. हम ये सोचते कि हम जैसे हमारे बिजनेस में हम हमारे साथ में कनेक्टेड बिजनेस नहीं है तो हम किसी से कोई पहचान नहीं कर सकते, बट यू नेवर नो, सबसे ज्यादा कनेक्टेड आदमी बंबई में होता है सलून वाला, मोची, फ्रूट वाला और सब्जी वाला. उसको आपके घर के बारे में आपसे ज्यादा पता होता है, बिकॉज people go and share a lot of things with them. 4/5 is पान वाला. पान वाले के दुकान के ऊपर खड़े के जो discussions होते हैं, the discussions which happen at that गली के नाके के पान वाला are much more informative than a lot of other discussions. So when you start giving very specific ask and give, you will start getting information from people whom you have never ever expected. So do not ever discount anybody's network. Everybody's network is as useful to you as your network is to someone else. Then comes again, you end your speech with your name, your company's name, and a tagline if you have. A tagline is something which is your punchline, or which is a line which people remember for you. Like for me, my brand's tagline is healthy homes, efficient offices. Because I give AMCs of air conditioners, I can give you in house very healthy homes, and in the offices, your offices become efficient by using my air conditioning services. So these steps are your name, your company name, your product and service which you give, your credibility statement, which is about your experience, the size of your organization, the number of customers you have, your USP, that is this age and the period of experience you have, then your give, then your ask, and then again ending the pitch with your name, your company's name, and your tagline. Your start and end has to be very energetic. Do not start a meeting like, how would you feel if I come and tell you my name is Bakul Subhasha and my company name is Hitech Aircon and we do an air conditioning? Would you be interested in talking to me? I don't think you would be interested in talking to me. It is the opposite person will feel, yaar, ye bande ko genuinely is he interested in talking or he's just giving me some pitch. So best thing is practice this 75 words. So we will do a small practice session now. I would request each of you to take 2 minutes of writing it down. Believe me, age, size of your business, category of your business does not matter. What matters is the passion with which you are doing this. आपने अगर पूरे दिल से अपने आप को बेचा तो इस दुनिया में कोई इंसान नहीं है जो आपसे नहीं खरीदेगा. I have always believed this, that my first 3 minutes of my interaction with my customer will decide whether that customer will be with me for my life or I will not be able to deal with him. I also personally believe in, when it is physical meeting, I personally believe in shaking hands which are very warm. I'm as it is a person who is with a lot of warm blood in myself. So I always believe in sharing a lot of warmth with people. So when you speak, if you're speaking to someone whom you love, if you're speaking to someone whom you really want to impress, how would you impress? It's the same way here. So for youngsters, I tell them you speak to your customers as if you're speaking to your girlfriend for the first time. For the middle-aged, I tell them as if you're speaking to your kids who are growing up. And for the people who are beyond 58, as if you're speaking to your wife. Because that is the only time you have to spend with yourself. Introduce yourself with a lot of love for yourself, with a very clear understanding of giving something to the members or the people around you. And most important, as Gandhiji said, sell for serving and not for self-worth. Self-improvement will happen when you operate from serving mindset. So when you give a 30-second, give it with your heart, and believe me, the results would be most astonishing. You cannot believe how you can close that. Thank you very much. We will take 2 minutes and then each of us would get a chance to give your 30-second presentations. Thank you very much, each of you.
Bakul, it was
That
superb.
was very nice.
Excellent.
Super awesome.
Very nice.
Very
Very nice.
super
Fantastic.
Thank you, sir.
amazing.
Thank you. Thank you.